this Thanksgiving, while we have a lot to be thankful for, turkey is a waste for a family of two. So I'm creating a chicken pot roast with flavors that are Indian in nature. I'm using the betel leaf and scenting my chicken. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. I'm going to be working right into the pot. So into my cast iron goes in nearly 100 grams of some herb butter. I'm just going to allow it to melt, infuse it and sear the chicken. I've not marinated the chicken because I'm going to let the flavor from outside steep right into it. 1 Gonduraj lemon peeled goes into the cavity of the chicken to flavor it right from within. Into my simmering yellow butter, herb butter, goes in 4 green chilies cut into half, 8 cloves of garlic finely chopped up, and this gorgeous Indian scent that comes together from the beautiful Indian curry leaves. So put that in, allow it to infuse nicely, scenting the butter, very southern flavors coming right into my kitchen, and then we pick the entire bird up and breast side down, allow it to sear for a good 5 minutes. Now be careful, 5 minutes later, just flip the chicken over. I'm using my hands, but please use tongs. Now it's about dunking in some vegetables, so some lovely shallots peeled go in. 1 red carrot just cut into large chunks. From my recent trip to Guwahati, I managed to get some fingerling potatoes, so they go in as well. The only 2 spices that go in is a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder on top and some on the side, and 2 teaspoons of roasted fennel powder, some on top and some on the side as well. Season with some celery sea salt. The highly fragrant leaf, that's the betel leaf, just crush it up so it gives out all its flavor and put that right in. Now if you do not have betel leaf, use bay leaf, but there's nothing that can compare to this gorgeous scent. And chop it with nearly a liter of hot water. 1 baby broccoli, just cut into the most prettiest of florets, nestles right within. You put it right on top because you don't want it to get too mushy in the broth. Into a preheated oven this goes at 180 degrees centigrade for just about 40 minutes. Easy peasy done right, and I have a decadent dinner ready. Now the scents in my kitchen are the licoricey goodness that betel leaves bring to the entire equation. A quick check, and I'm going to overload this with firstly some curly parsley, herby indulgence going right in and giving it a burst of freshness. Then some cilantro, nearly about 2 tablespoons full. And lastly, in goes some lovely basil shreds. Just mix it all up and a decadent meal is ready to be enjoyed just with some sourdough toast. The rich and decadent Indian betel leaf scent into my Thanksgiving meal is clearly a winner when paired with some sourdough bread. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. A unique combination, soupy in nature, brothy in nature, perfect for the weather that we are in. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.